Okay, kids, don't pull fire alarms at school without a fire or without permission. If you pull the fire alarm at school without a fire or without permission, you are going to get suspended, expelled, fined, and arrested by the police. And if you don't get arrested, you are going to get grounded by your parents. So, don't do it. In every school I heard, if you pull the fire alarm, you are going to get suspended and expelled. In my school, if you pull the fire alarm, you are going to get a week of out-of-school suspension, maximum for 10 days, for the first time you do it, and the second time you do it, you are going to face expulsion, and the fire department will charge a fine if it's false alarm. So, don't ever pull the fire alarm unless there is a fire. Now, if there is a fire, pull the fire alarm. If you are required to conduct a fire drill for some reason, then you can do it then. But if you're pulling it for a joke or a prank, that is not okay at all. This is no joke, because I remember back during my elementary school years, there were some kids that pulled the fire alarm in that school. They got into big trouble for doing it. Luckily, they were younger, so they didn't get arrested, but they did get grounded by their parents, and they did get suspended or expelled. But if you are in high school and you pull the alarm, you will definitely get arrested, because it is not a toy. Bye.